Give me 1 second. Alright. Please excuse the mess. But I wanted to demonstrate the working paddle shifter on my Eclipse. So here's the forced 4 shift controller. And then I have pretty much the wiring for the 2 grounds ran up this way through here. And this is the paddle shift assembly from a Mitsubishi Outlander, the Rally Art, same as the EVO 10. It's pretty much a 3-wire setup, a ground, a wire for each side, and they complete the circuit with ground when they're actuated. So here we go. You go 3, 4. It's already locked in 4. I can't go any higher. Then we go to 4. 3, 2, 1.